Well, parts of the Northern Cape, which include Victoria West and Sutherland, were covered by blankets of snow this morning, much to the pleasure of locals. SABC Meteorologist Chabata says South Africans should brace themselves for a cold snap in the coming days. Motorists have been warned of more snow around some parts of the N1 and the N9 in the Northern Cape.
Front that is approaching the Western Cape, and ahead of that system we will be seeing light rain showers also setting in around the Cape Town area and surrounding parts. The cold front actually makes landfall on Thursday, bringing more rain to the Western Cape and maintaining the cold temperatures. Then by Friday we should see the cold weather spreading eastwards, but it will stay dry for much of the country. The rain will only be confined to the south and the east coast.